Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwad, and today we are replacing my windshield wiper blades. This is the style windshield wiper blades that I typically use. They are simply a blade. There's no contraption coming down the top on either side, and they just have the clip that fits directly into my truck. So now I'll show you how to remove the old ones and put the new ones on. Many new windshield wiper blades come with a protective sleeve over the blade, and you want to make sure you remove this before you try to install your wiper blade. So you can simply push it off. I'm going to use my foot to hold it and pull it the rest of the way off. And it's ready to install. The windshield wiper blade arm comes up like this. On most units, there's a clip at the top that you push down, and then clips on the side. So once it bends down, the clips on the sides come out as well. These two buttons here. On most vehicles, if you have two different size blades, the longer of the two goes on the driver's side. This one simply hooks in. I'm going to squeeze the two clips on the back side and push them into place, and you're all done. Just make sure that the clips are fully engaged here and here so that it doesn't come off while you're driving down the road. Now you can simply slowly lay your windshield wiper back down on your windshield, and you're done. Now repeat the same process on the other side to finish the passenger side application. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. Feel free to click any of the links on the screen to view some of my other videos, or click my logo to subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day.